Those are the green sea anemones. They open up like a flower underwater, a green flower. These are the thatched barnacles that often associate with the mussels. Then we get down to the goose barnacles, again the aggregating anemones, and then finally the giant green anemones. Pretty, isn't it?
Yes.
When we're identifying mushrooms, we're looking at everything. It's just all about, observation. We're looking at the shape of the cap, the color, what we call the margin of the cap, the edges, the smell, the way the gills attach to the stem. There's a ton of stuff up here. I didn't pick anything, but I found some really amazing things that hopefully you guys will all find and we can explore together. Go slow, look for little tiny changes in your environment all around you, and it gets you into places you've never been.
Explore nature. Your next outdoor adventure awaits. Join the fun.